What's going on, everybody? Mitch DeWitt here with Rockwood and Flagstaff, and today we're going to show you how to put up your hard side A-frame tent camper. First of all, you're going to want to level your coach. Once that is completed, I'm going to show you now how to raise your roof and get all the hard sides squared away. So first thing you need to do is obviously unlatch these two latches on each side. You don't want to try to run your roof up when they're still latched. So there's one on either side. You saw me do that side there. And then they're usually placed right, pretty much dead center in the middle of that sidewall there. Once those two are unlatched, you are going to want to find your assist pole, which is going to be in your front storage compartment. So all the assist poles to run your roof up is going to be placed right on that front wall of your storage compartment on these clips. You'll want to grab that and head around to either side because we do have two fittings that are going to be placed on either side that are going to help you run this roof up here. So what we like to do, start with the shorter roof section there. You want to clamp onto your fitting. I like to stand perpendicular. It gives me kind of the best angle to push this roof up and allows it to be a little easier there. You'll want to run that roof up until you're at a comfortable height where you can rest this other section on your hand or with that grab handle there. So pretty light. You can hold that up with one hand there. You'll want to put your pull on this other clip here. Hold it steady and then run it all the way until you see it latch at the top here. So this side latched, but usually your one side will latch, you'll have to go around to the other side and completely latch the top there. So we'll walk around to the other side. And you can see we still have a few inches to go here. So you'll want to find that fitting on this side, run it all the way up like so. And once you hear it click in, that section is completed. So you can put your pole away if you want, or keep it out or store it wherever you'd like. But now we're going to jump in and put the sidewalls up. Now that the roof sections are up, we're going to put the hard side sidewalls up. So you'll want to enter the A-frame, turn your grab handle like so, open your door, obviously run your stairs down. But then to put this first wall up, you're going to want to crack the door a little bit. Make sure this entry door is shut behind you. And then there's just an easy way to put your hand on the other side of this door there. Run this up like so. You can close your door at this point. You want to just make sure it clears your roof. All right, we already have our door side sidewall up and latched. We're going to show you how to do the off door side. You'll just pick it up like so. Come over here. And find your latches. You can get it started there and do either side, or you can run this one all the way, which all the way to the top is going to give you a complete seal there. And you want to make sure to get both latches on either side there. So that's how you set up the roof and the sidewall. We have one more step, and that's it for this hard side setup. All right, the last step here, once your roof and sidewalls are up, you're just going to want to clamp your door into a one-piece door. So you see this clamp here. You'll run it up like so, push that down, and voila, one-piece door that'll shut, and you can utilize that while you're camping. So that's pretty much how you set up your hard side A-frame camper, and we'll show you how to tear down here in a second. Now to tear down your hard side pop-up camper into travel mode, you will just do all the steps we covered in reverse order. So I'll show you how that looks. Now let's run the roof down. So you want to locate that pole you used for setup. We have handles placed as well if you just want to tug that down, but I will use the pole to show you how to just easily kind of unlatch that roof. And the strut should do the rest for you. Running that roof all the way down. You'll place your pole back in the front cabinet, storage compartment, and then you'll want to make sure you latch your roof up there on either side, and then you're good to go. So that completes our setup and teardown of our Rockwood and Flagstaff hard side campers. Thanks for tuning in. And as always, we RV.